Hello guys and welcome to Technology for Blind YouTube channel. I'm back with the fifth part of the Android accessibility tutorial series. So this time I'm going to be teaching you how to use the app called Facebook as usual. Now I hope you know about Facebook, you know about how to use Facebook in Windows on the web browser. So when it comes to the app, as I think, in my opinion, the app is mostly accessible than the web version. Basically, when we use the app, it is mostly accessible. When it comes to the browser, the NVDA is actually quite accessible, but sometimes the focus is not quite good. Anyways, let's learn how to log in into the account. Now I'm not going to be creating new account. I will be logging into my current account. So
Facebook.
This is my Facebook app. Double tap.
Facebook. Phone number or email address. Edit box.
Now this is the screen after installing you will get. Okay.
More. Phone. Password. Edit box.
Password.
Login. Click button. Forgotten password button.
Forgotten password.
Create new Facebook account button.
Create new Facebook account. If you want, you can click this and fill in the form. As usual, you can create. Okay.
English. Polski.
This is the languages.
More. Phone number or email address. Edit box.
Now.
Enter field. Showing Sinhala, Sri Lanka, Sinhala keyboard. User. Showing English, UK, QWERTY key. Login. Click. Password. Editing. Phone number or email address. Edit box.
So you have to fill these two boxes: phone number, email address, or phone number, email address, and the other box is password. Now I'm going to be
screen recording. Screen recording. Recording screen button.
Coming back after filling this form. Okay. For security reasons. Okay. So I've logged in into my account.
Search. Messaging. Selected. News. In list 3 items. Add to story.
So very simple.
Notifications. Tab 4 of 5 out of list. Facebook. Search. Messaging. Now
when you click the messaging, usually we can message using the messenger in Facebook. It is also a website. Now when it comes to the Android, we have a specific app for the message called Messenger. There are two apps, Messenger and Messenger Lite. In a minute I will show how to use those. Okay. So
selected. Newsfeed tab 1 of 5.
Now currently I am in the newsfeed tab.
Friends tab 2 of 5.
Friends.
Groups tab 3 of 5. Notifications tab 4 of 5.
Groups, notifications.
Menu tab 5 of 5. Create a post on Facebook. Go to profile button. Select photos or videos to make a post with. Stories. Story archive.
So these are self-explanatory, very self.
Add to story in list 3. Facebook. Search. Message. Friend. Groups. Notifications tab.
Just
notifications tab 4 of 5. Select menu. List. Can't connect. List.
Can't connect. Why?
Wi-Fi on. On. Wi-Fi on. Full Wi-Fi signal. Mohomed Rashad. Open Wi-Fi settings. Switch. Off. Off. Mobile. Mobile data.
Let's turn on the mobile data.
Facebook. List.
Can't
connect. Tap to retry.
Retry.
Facebook. Search. Messaging. Last. Close.
Let's close.
Facebook. 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 Stories. Facebook.
Okay, we have connected.
Notifications
now
tab 4.
Here is.
Techie Coney added a new photo. HTTPS. Earlier.
So
Friends tab
very
2
usual,
of 5 tab.
useful.
Selected. Menu. Early. Menu tab 5 of 5 out of list.
Now the menu tab is very important. This is the tab.
Menu tab 5 of 5.
You can find all your settings, pages, groups in one place, shortcuts, all those.
Profile and pages header. Section is collapsed.
Profile
Double
and
click to expand the
pages.
top shortcuts. Header. Section is collapsed. Double all shortcuts alphabetized. Header. Section is collapsed. Help and support. Header. Section is collapsed. Settings and privacy. Header. Section is collapsed.
Now
Double
if
click
you
to
want to
expand the section.
log out from the Facebook app, basically you have to come to this menu and privacy settings and privacy.
Settings and privacy. Header.
And
Section is settings button 1 of 7. Privacy shortcuts button 2 of 7. Language button 3 of 7. Data saver button 4 of 7. Code generator button 5 of 7. All shortcuts button 6 of 7. Logout button 7 of 7.
simply you have to click the logout button and
Facebook. Logging out.
it will log out.
Facebook. Tap to log in. Logged out. Next time you log in, tap your account. Log in as Mohomed Rashad. Menu button.
After logging in, you can
Log in as Mo. Showing password
again.
keyboard. Show. Log in. Editing. Pass. Paste. Editing. Password. Password. Paste.
paste.
More options button. Paste. Login button. Editing. Password. Password. Edit box. Screen recording. Screen recording. Recording
Wait,
screen.
please. I will
Recording
come back.
screen.
Okay,
Facebook.
I have logged in and
Create a post on Facebook. Notifications. Tab 4 of 5.
very simple.
Menu. Tab 5. Menu,
Let's go
tab
to
5
a
of 5.
page.
Profile and pages.
My
Profile and
Technology
pages,
for
header.
Blind YouTube
Section
channel
is expand-
page.
Mohomed Rashad. Profile and pages. Header. Mohomed Technology for Blind. Button 2 of 2.
This is Technology for
Trouble
Blind
loading. Facebook.
page.
Search. Edit box.
You can find the link on the description as usual.
Multi-page view. Back button. Search. Edit box. Multi-page view.
Please wait.
0. On. Mobile. Off. On. Wi-Fi. Back button. Facebook. Multi-page view. Back button.
Let's come
Facebook.
back.
Technology. Trouble
Okay.
loading. Facebook. Search. Edit box. Unlabeled. Edit. Unlabeled. But technology for blind. Multi-page view. Back button. Back button.
Problem loading.
Facebook. Technology.
It's
Trouble
going
loading. Facebook.
Problem loading.
Back
Something happened. Okay.
Facebook. Technology for blind. Button 2 of 2. In
You
grid.
can
7 rows.
uh,
Back. Newsfeed tab 1
explore
of 5.
the options as usual. These are very self-explanatory. There are no very advanced stuff. If you get used to this app, it will be very helpful for your daily life. When we consider the accessibility features on the web browser, I don't think it is most accessible, but when it comes to the Android, I am very happy about the accessibility, very accessible. Yeah, so
Create a post on Facebook. Notifications tab 4 of 5.
basically these are basic stuffs. As I said, you have to experiment with all those settings. Okay, you have to experiment with all those settings. You have to use the Facebook app, you have to use the Android, then you will be able to know all the settings and you will be comfortable with Android. Okay,
Menu tab 5 of
let's
Menu,
just go
tab
through
5.
the
Mohomed Technology for blind. But top short. Technology. Trouble loading. Back. Facebook. Technology. Top. All shortcuts.
all shortcuts first of all.
Alphabetized. Header. City guides button 1 of 26. Crisis response button 2 of 26. Device requests button 3 of 26. Discover people button 4 of 26. Events button 5 of 26. Find friends button 6 of 26. Find Wi-Fi button 7 of 26. Fundraisers button 8 of 26. Gaming button 9 of 26. Groups button 10 of 26. Hello friends button 11 of 26. Jobs button 12 of 26. Hello friends button 11 of 26.
The hello friends button is my group, okay, which is my personal group. I've added my personal friends. Okay,
Jobs button 12 of 26. Live videos button 13 of 26. Local button 14 of 26. Memories button 15 of 26. Most recent button 16 of 26. Nearby friends button 17 of 26. Offers button 18 of 26. Pages button 19 of 26. Photos button 20 of 26. Recent ad activity button 21 of 26. Recommendations button 22 of 26. Saved button 23 of 26. Send or request money button 24 of 26. Videos on watch button 25 of 26. Weather button 26 of 26. Help and support header. Section is collapsed. Double click to expand the section. Home button out of grid.
so
Back button.
this is the demonstration of the Facebook. If you have any questions or comments, please post it in the comment section as usual. I'll be happy to answer. So let's go to the
Newsfeed tab 1 of 5.
Messenger. Okay,
Friends tab 2 of selected. Messaging.
just click Messenger.
Like comment.
Messaging.
Actions for previous post in list 8.
Please
like
wait.
comment.
I'm sorry.
Selected. News messaging.
You can click the messaging button, or you can find the Messenger app on the app drawer. Okay, the Messenger is most probably installed in default in all of the devices, the Facebook app also. Okay, but if you want to use Messenger Lite, you have to download and install. Now when it comes to the Messenger and the Messenger Lite, basically I don't know what are the difference, but as I know, in my opinion, the data usage is different. Okay, in Messenger Lite the data usage is little bit low, and in the Messenger it is little bit high. Okay, so let's go.
App lock. No.
I have to type my block.
Open with Messenger Lite in list 2 items.
Now since I've installed both of the apps, it asks me whether I'd like to open in Messenger Lite or Messenger.
Messenger.
So let's first go to the Messenger. Okay.
Messenger. Settings.
So
Chats. Tab 1 of 3.
this is also completely accessible. Do not worry.
Chats. Camera button. New message button.
Camera.
Search button. Your story. Mohomed. Tarandul action. You. Mohomed Rashad. You.
So these are the
Tarandul action.
conversations. Now let's click this conversation and
edit box.
bottom right corner, no, bottom center there is an edit box.
Edit box.
Double tap and
Show
let's
English UK.
type
Capital H A Y
and
send button.
the send button.
Showing English UK QWERTY
Okay,
keyboard.
now I have sent
Back
the
button.
message.
English
And
UK QWERTY keyboard hidden.
Bottom right corner
Like button.
there is a like button. You have to hold, double tap and hold.
You send the sticker like
Simple.
thumbs up. Like button.
If you want to just double tap,
you send the sticker like thumbs up.
that is a small like. Okay,
Emoji button. Record voice button.
you can record voice, but since I'm using the microphone to record this screen capture, I can't do that. Okay,
choose photo button. Take photo button. Open more actions button.
simple, very
like
simple.
Button. Back. Mohomed active 1 hour ago. Thread details button.
Yeah, Mohomed active 1 hour ago.
Back. Voice call button. Video chat button. Voice call.
Just let's voice call.
Mohomed Rashad. Tap to return to call contacting. Explore video effects button. Turn on speakerphone button. Mute microphone button. End call button.
Very simple. So let's end the call.
Ringtone volume set to 60%.
Okay,
Messenger. Back button. Chats. Tab 1. Facebook. Messaging.
Let's launch
Open
the
with Messenger Lite.
Messenger Lite
Lite.
as
Selected. Home
usual.
tab.
It's very simple.
Contacts tab. Settings tab. Home button. Mohomed Rashad. Tarandul.
Mohomed Rashad.
Like button.
Like that's all. There are no complex items to show in the Facebook.
Home button.
So
your phone is
thank you for watching.
0-100.
This is the
Home
end of the
button.
video. If you have any questions, please post it in the comment section as usual, and also please let me know the tutorials are useful or not. If you want to add something, or if you have any requests, please mention it in the comment section. And also visit my Facebook page, Technology for Blind. I have provided the link below the description. So recently I have got about 10 likes in my Facebook page, so you can come and like me. Okay, we can discuss something if my audience are great. Okay,
Screen
so
recording.
thank you
Screen
for watching.
button.
See you in the next video. Signing out, Mohomed Rashad.